Well, look at this. It's Peter and Schooner in a Bombardier. First time they showed up this season in the Bombardier. Maybe Peter will take a tour around here and show us what he's doing later on. Well, hello, Schooner Shop Dog.
I just come for a ride and I wanted you to do just sort of a general checkup on it.
Okay.
Everything seems to be okay.
We'll check it out. Where's your partner?
Right
Oh,
there.
come here.
Hi, Schoon.
Come on. You guys come here and come on.
Get in there.
Get in your Bombardier. That's a boy. Okay, I'll take a walk around with you on a ride, and we'll check it out. And then after we're finished, we'll get as you're driving down the river.
Yeah.
We're going to take some pictures of it.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
So we're with Dad's good friend Peter, and he's in his 1959 Narrow Gauge. You said it was a 305?
305 V8 4 barrel. Yeah.
Okay, 305 V8 4 barrel.
350.
And we're gonna take a tour. So it's nice and snug, and if you haven't driven in a narrow gauge before, it's well, the only difference is it's not wide.
As wide as a screw track.
Going to take a quick tour down to the riverbank, and Peter's going to open it up on the ice. Snow here. What's your speed right now?
130.
Peter's going to show us a little bit of speed here on the ice. He's going to take it down river, and then he's going to pop on back. And he's just making a turn down here. There you go. It's gotta come back and pick me up now. So, again, it's a 1959 narrow gauge.
Yeah, with a 305 V8
Okay.
barrel in it. Yeah.
Look how gorgeous that looks. Oh, it does too.
The difference between this one, it has a long-range internal fuel tank up top as opposed to two separate fuel tanks down here.
So where's your fuel tank then?
Inside.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah. And it makes it a lot easier to work on the engine too.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, and how long have you owned this one?
Just about 5 years.
Okay. Did you rebuild it from front to back, or?
We went right, most of the stuff we did on, yeah.
Yeah. And
Record rad.
okay. heat off this engine. Can you show the guys where the gas tank is so they know?
Tank is right here.
Oh, okay. So what's the best thing about this narrow gauge for you then?
It's the quietest, and it's easy to drive.
Okay. Is it one of your more favorite Bombardiers? You own a few of them. Yeah, it's your favorite one? So if you had to just keep the one, it would be this one, or?
If I had to keep a narrow gauge, it would be this one.
Okay. Now everybody's going to ask, is it for sale? And it's okay to say no.
Well,
but
I guess everything's for sale sometime or another.
Okay, so what do you figure this thing's worth? About 50, 60, 70, what?
Whatever the market would bear, I suppose.
Okay, yeah. But everything...
I'm not in a hurry, though.
Yeah, you're not in a hurry to sell. Good.
Desperate.
Well, there you go. This is just one of the Bombardiers out there. Gorgeous 1959 narrow gauge, completely rebuilt front to back. This is
rear wheels.
Yeah. They one of my dad's best friends here. Power steering. You gotta love the power steering.
Driveline disc brake.
Quiet cab too, though. Really quiet.
Yeah. Dash mount shifter.
Yeah.
This is the quietest one of them all.
Yeah. And so, there you go. Beautiful Bombardier. Being used for its purpose. Dad's buddy here showed up today driving it. Figured, you know, no sense showing up in the vehicle with the dog. Load the dog up in the Bombardier and come for a visit. So we're just waiting for him to come down the river. Did you check everything out?
Yeah. I checked everything out, and from what I could see, everything is good. He's got a 305 V8 Chevy in there with a 4-barrel. It's kind of a fuel squeezer. It's easy on gas, and he has a 42-gallon gas tank in it, so he's got lots of range.
Okay.
We'll see here when he comes. It boogies right along.
So we're just at the end of the day here, and we're just gonna wait for him. Oh, here he comes right now. I can see him.
Turn your window down.
And there he is. Look at that go.